Welcome to this interactive crypto review of Eaglefx. With Eaglefx, you can start trading with a minimum deposit of $10. The maximum leverage supported is up to 1 divided by 500, and you can trade Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, futures, and cryptocurrencies. In this table, we have the trading instruments that you can trade, and as you can see, you can trade major pairs like Australian dollar versus United States dollar, euro versus United States dollar, and more. You can also trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dashcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. Commodities assets as gold, silver, oil, and other assets are available to trade with Eaglefx Broker. From the stock assets, you have a variety of stock to trade, such as Apple, Google, Netflix, Microsoft, Tesla, and other stocks. You can trade futures contracts as the dollar and indices, instruments as US 30, UK 100, JER 30, and other indices assets. Eaglefx offers competitive spreads on Forex and crypto pairs. Spreads on pairs like Euro versus US dollar start from 1.2 pips. Spreads in British pound versus US dollar start from 5.2 pips. In other pairs as Australian dollar versus US dollar and US dollar versus Canadian dollar, spreads start from 0.6 pips. And New Zealand dollar versus US dollar, spreads start from 0.7 pips. And the spreads are higher in the pair Bitcoin versus US dollar when spreads start from 15 pips. There are two types of fees that are applied when you trade with Eaglefx Broker: commission fee and swap fee. The commission fee is calculated in your order position, so when you open a trade, you will be charged at $6 per lot. The minimum lot size allowed is 0.01 and the maximum is 1,000 lots. Hedging, scalping is allowed, and you get margin call at 100% margin level, and the stop out, which protects your account from the negative balance, is executed at a 70% margin level. The maximum leverage supported in Forex is up to 1 divided by 500, and in cryptocurrencies, the maximum leverage supported is up to 1 divided by 100. With Eaglefx, you can trade on MetaTrader 4 and WebTrader. MetaTrader 4 is available to use on Windows, iOS, and Android. You can also use the WebTrader to trade directly from your web browser. You can trade with a small deposit of $10 in the Eaglefx Broker. To deposit funds, you can use Bitcoin, bank wire transfer, debit and credit cards with Visa or MasterCard. Eaglefx does not charge you any fees when you deposit funds. The withdrawal methods available are with Bitcoin, Coinbase, PayPal, and prepaid MasterCard. The withdrawal process is very quick according to the Eaglefx website, and you do not get charged any fee when you withdraw funds. Besides the frequently asked questions page that contains information about the Eaglefx and its service, you can get more information by contacting the Eaglefx support team. You can use the live chat, submit a ticket, or request a call in your phone number. The support team is available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching the Eaglefx Broker review.